Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's sexy shoulder workout is the first workout in our Spring Slim Down series. Warmer weather is upon us, which means shedding those bulky winter layers and showing a little bit of skin. Now I'll be using a set of light to medium dumbbells to really sculpt and define that shoulder region, just in time for you to sport those spring sleeveless tops. Now if you love this workout, I want you to click that like button below and show me some love. Now let's get ready to sculpt those beautifully defined shoulders. Starting off with warm-up shoulder rolls up and around. So just getting those nice, juicy, fluid shoulder rolls warming up that entire back and shoulder region here. Inhale, exhale. Now let's reverse that circle. Forward, big circle, up and around, lifting and then depressing those shoulders down. From here, let's go ahead and grab those light hand weights. I've got 3s to start off with. We're gonna start just with nice, gentle circles around. So those gentle circles, little circles with those palms coming up in towards the ceiling. Scoop the navel into the spine. Let's go for 4, 3, 2, now let's reverse that circle. Again, we've got light weights. If you want to go heavier, absolutely fine. You know your body, you know where you need to push a little bit, but it is still our warm-up, so we're still going with that lighter weight here. Breathe, inhale, exhale. From here, I want you to rotate those palms down. So now we've got more of that anterior delt working here. Starting to feel the burn already. Inhale, exhale, let's reverse it right here. Breathe, you've got 4, 3, 2. Last one, take the palms up. We lift into high fifth and open out to that second with the palms reaching up in towards the ceiling here. Lift and lower. Drop those shoulders down, exhale, press. Lift and squeeze. Lift. Let's take this maybe a little bit quicker. Lift and lower. Again, if you want to go with 5-pound weights here, you can. Maybe you want to decrease it down to 2 pounds. Maybe you have a shoulder injury and maybe you're just going with no weights today. Absolutely fine. We all have to start somewhere, and if that's no weights today and you build up to those 2-pounders, 3-pounders, awesome work for you. Press, lift, and lower. Lift and lower. You've got this, guys. Lift. Drop those shoulders down. Don't elevate the shoulders. Keep depressing them down the back here. Lift and press. One last one going into our Y raise from here. So we lift and press. Lift. Getting a lot of work for that deltoid, that shoulder here. Control it down. So don't just flop those weights down. You're in a plie stance from here, so we lift and lower. Exhale, lift, press, lift. Inhale, scoop the navel to the spine, long spine, press, lift, lower it down with control. So no momentum, just using the strength of those shoulders, lift. Now from here, moving on, I'm gonna grab 5-pound weights for your next series. External rotations, in and out. Sweep, open and press. So working through that rotator cuff, out and in press. Sweep, breathe. So find the breath, really moving with fluidity here. Constantly focused on the breath. Constantly pressing the shoulders down and away, alleviating that tension here. Breathe, open it out. External and internal rotation of that shoulder head out and in. Are your shoulders starting to feel it? Out and in. Reach, give me one last one right here. Going into front raise and then side delt raise. Fire is burning in those shoulders. Again, guys, if you need to go maybe a little bit heavier, Or if your shoulders are like screaming and you need to go a little bit lighter, absolutely fine. But I do want you challenging yourself. So don't take the out and go lighter. Maybe you stay with me and keep at that 5-pound weight. Lift, press. There's gonna be a slight micro bend within your elbows. Absolutely fine, reach and press. Lift it, lower it, out and in, press. Squeeze. Keep it moving right here. You've got this, guys. Up and down, press. In 4, 3, 2. Give me one last one. Hit it up, slowly come down. Now I'm going with that medium dumbbell, the 8-pound weight. So we're pulling into Arnold presses. Reach it up, pull down. So we push the palms away, pull the palms in. Drop the shoulders down and squeeze. Lift. Exhale. Fire it up here. Keep breathing. Exhale. Breathe. You're looking so good. Keep it up. Reach it overhead. Bring it down. Just think of how beautiful those shoulders are gonna look in those spring tank tops coming up. Press. Reach. Breathe out, shedding those winter layers. Press, out, and in. Give me one, last one right there. I'm going to go with one heavy dumbbell. If you want to stay with that 8-pounder, you can. So these are called car drivers. Up and around. Woo. It's burning. Up and around. Press. At least I'm burning with you, right? Press. I feel the pain and the anguish with you. We're doing it together. We're making it happen together. Drop those shoulders down. Up and around. You've got this. Breathe through it. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. And breathe. Starting in a kneeling position, I've doubled up my mat to give myself extra padding for the next exercise. Overhead reach and press. So single arm overhead reach, pull it back down with control. So we're lifting with control, pulling back down. If you want to go heavier with this exercise, absolutely fine. Maybe going with a 12-pound or 15-pound dumbbell. Or if you want to stay with me, 10 pounds or go a little bit lighter, maybe 5-8 pounds. And reach. Lifting and lowering, really dropping the shoulder down the back here, taking those nice long inhales and exhales out. Reaching slowly up, controlling the weight down. So no jerking movements. Breathe and press. Give me one more. Lift and lower. Let's take it to the opposite side, reaching overhead. From here we lift and lower. And if you need more padding for your knee, you can always double your mat up another time. Lift and press. Lift and lower. So finding that strength here. We're getting 1% better each time that we work out together. So I want you to think of getting and pushing yourself a little bit further, 1% more than you did last workout. Constantly challenging our bodies, constantly progressing so that we don't plateau within our workouts. Lift and lower, lift and lower. Bring it down from here, moving right along into our high plank series. So from here, we've got the wrist directly underneath, shoulder tap right and left. Now make sure that you're not twisting your hips like this. I want your hips to go down into the mat, squaring your hips off, soft bend through the elbows. Now your core is working like crazy here as well as those shoulders. So you're scooping the navel into the spine. Breathe. Exhale. Stay strong, one long line from the tip of the head all the way to those heels. Getting stronger together here. Toughen up, you've got this. Lift and press. Slowly coming down. I'm grabbing light hand weights for the next exercise, or I should say last exercise. That's always exciting. Now this is a very challenging move. So if you need to go light, 2 pounds, 1 pounder, maybe no weight at all. It's extremely difficult. Working through back and shoulders. Remember, this is our last exercise, so I need you to push through. Keep moving. If you need to drop the weights, still do the exercise. Come with me. Lift, press, lower it down. That one was tough. Sink it back. Inhale and exhale out. Slowly come up. Give me those nice shoulder rolls that we started with. And reverse it. Up and around. Beautiful work, guys. Hope to see you on the next one.